Prachi, video started.
Yeah, coming in 2 minutes.
Yeah. So hey guys, this side Anil and
Yeah, hi guys, Prachi this side, and we are Pranil. Whew, there are so much work and yeah. So we are here just for our real talk and yes.
going to share something crazy and how this all has been started and like how we find each other. So we just going to share that with you.
Because we have been together since the last 10 years. And yeah, seriously, and अगर पास्ट का देखे तो we didn't even realize कि what's the forever meant to us. Okay, like what's this fucking
Like
shit?
sometimes this happened to, I guess it's also happened to you also. Like we never expect something that we are going to move forward for next 10-15 years.
This much far.
Really. And today we are into 2026 and let's step back or look backward that since last 10 years we are together. So that is so crazy.
For us.
Us.
Yeah, so it's all started when we were in school and we were a classmate, tuition mate, and the most important thing, we are currently also a neighbors. Yeah.
Yeah, we are neighbors since we met, and one thing she forgot to tell you that we are also corporate mates.
Yeah, we worked together even we shifted
Yeah.
to the Roorkee to Dehradun. Both belongs to Roorkee, and after my graduation completed, and then he went to Mumbai, Bombay, I guess. that's more coolest than Mumbai. Yeah, after that we shifted to Dehradun and we started our corporate life together.
COVID hit everybody.
Yeah. And I got the COVID positive, and I have to quit my job for sometimes, and then Anil just working.
Because of her, the whole company got closed. Yeah.
That was the craziest part of my
Yeah,
life ever.
they were like, we just found her like COVID positive.
And just my office partner was she was my even roommate, and she is not positive.
She even pushed by the landlord, just get out from here. You are the.
Stop it. It's a very long story. Just quit.
That
here.
is not part of this. We are
Yeah.
just sharing that. But yeah.
Okay, so yeah, obviously there are lots of stories we have to tell you everyone, and yeah.
It is 10 years now, so lots of things are happening there and
So-
still happening. So then, yeah, just after job, we quit the jobs. We just started our own startup where I'm providing some music classes.
And I'm providing photography
She
services.
is photographer. So,
Yeah. So
and then we just build. I'm also marketing person, having so tiny sense of that. So we are doing that thing.
yeah, but the weird and amazing thing is we haven't started such kind of things because he also having a social media background. I'm also having a camera person, but yeah, it took us a long time to start this channel, beautiful channel, Meet Pranil. And yeah, I guess it's enough to share good stories with you all. Yeah,
Because we just started this too late because we are like we just shifted Dehradun past 4 years ago, and it's been 4 years here, and it didn't never came in our mind that
Yeah.
just let's start this. We were just building our own things. I'm just managing my own pages of music. She's managing her own.
even that time, it's the idea from my side
Yeah.
to start this channel. Yeah, so all credit goes to me. Yeah, thank you.
And when it got monetized, guys, so all cash got to
Yeah,
me.
obviously it's all mine. I'm not going to
It's
share
my
with you.
decision to just join here, na.
Yeah, so
So
if we were talk about it's started simply as a teenage guys just started with simple talks and sharing our notes and tuitions in school and everything. Yeah, it never meant to like this ki you know what's the secret now ki small story. हम लोग सिंपल से फ्रेंड्स थे, स्कूल जाते थे, ट्यूशन जाते थे, फिर फर्स्ट टाइम ये मेरे घर आया, मैं इसके घर गई एंड देन इट्स ऑल स्टार्टेड एंड इट्स नाउ दिस मच बिग कि ठीक है, नो नजर. So there were no any plannings of how to get into the relationship. Yeah, of course, we also had so much fun, so much fights, cry, and everything. Obviously, it's an Indian relationship. Yeah, so definitely it will happen with everyone. Yeah.
yeah, I also believe I don't think so anybody have such kind of things like let's take a pledge of let's build this
Yeah.
relation for the next 10 years. I don't. It is not a kind of
Even you can you can take the pledge. It's not even possible to go on the same page to
it's
both of
it's
the.
not kind of the
No.
lease paper. Just sign it and for the next 10 years it is yours.
Yeah.
You just need to deposit one time. It's not like that. Lot of things are happening there. एक
Ups
हिंदी
and
में
downs,
कहावत
it's-
सुनी होगी, दो बर्तन होते हैं बसते हैं. एंड आई थिंक सो, आई पर्सनली बिलीव जहाँ पे दो बर्तन है बजेंगे,
ऐसे
right?
दो बर्तन है अगर ऑब्वियसली इट्स अ रोलर कोस्टर ऑफ एवरीवनस लाइफ. या ऊपर नीचे चलता रहता है, या बट इट्स टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन यू कि यू वांट्स टू स्टे विद along or not. Obviously it's a personal decision.
It's all your vibe. If
Yeah.
you are getting that thought, that kind of environment, yeah, I need to be here. It doesn't matter, yeah, you are getting quarreling lot of time. It doesn't matter in a relationship, na. If you are having that feel ki yeah, she is the one or he is the one, so definitely just stay there. It doesn't matter what all this season you are passing through. Sometime it will be heat, it will be cold, rainy, whatever. सब कुछ झेलना पड़ेगा so that you will be there.
Yeah.
एटलीस्ट जैसे हम 10 साल काट के आ गए हैं. सो स्टार्टिंग में वो कुछ थोड़ा सा टीन एज थी, तो काइंड ऑफ यू कैन से किडिश बिहेवियर है ना, आपस में लड़ना बहुत ज्यादा. एक टाइम पे आके यू विल जस्ट
Yeah.
फाइंड योर ओन वे
Yeah,
इन अ
it's-
रिलेशनशिप एज वेल ना.
It's the kind of phases you will see in this much longer relationship. Definitely, yeah.
By the time you will just find out your own way. I have my own works, I do them, she is having their own works, she do that. So I don't think so you have time to just fight and like you. Sometimes it will be a kind of matter just ki yeah, why this is happening and law yeah. But after the time everything just got solved यार. You just need to be there as well. जैसे हर एक चीज में बोलते हैं कि आपको रुकना है, ठहरना है. सो यू नीड टू बी स्टे देयर टू जस्ट पास थ्रू द टाइम. और आई व्हाट माई एक्सपीरियंस इज, ऑल इट इज कि यू नीड टू बी स्टे राइट. यू नीड टू स्टे देयर विद द पर्सन. आपके अगर लड़ाई भी हो रही है और रिलेशनशिप में हो, डजेंट मैटर किसकी गलती है, जस्ट आप अपोलॉजी करो, ठीक है. सो दैट देयर विल बी चांस कि हाँ अगर गलती मेरी नहीं भी है, सो आफ्टर दैट वो आके सॉरी बोल रहा है. सो
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I'll see you after the video. Yeah.
So
So हमने बहुत सारी बातें करी and it's almost 10 minutes and yeah, we are so excited to share our छोटी छोटी सी बातें. एक relationship में आप एक दूसरे के साथ कैसे compromise कर सकते हैं, कैसी चीज़ें आपको face करने को मिलेगी. या obviously it's a different kind of things कि आप मतलब कैसे survive कर सकते हो उस relationship. So yeah, it's all about this. So yeah, we have created this Meet Pranil for this our unfiltered real stories here. So you can watch our next vlogs as well.
यहाँ पे कोई बहुत ज्यादा हैवी एडिटिंग नहीं होगी कि
हाँ.
इसको नहीं यार इसको काट देते हैं इसको बना देते हैं वट एवर हैपनिंग हियर जस्ट वी
We'll
आर
post
पोस्टिंग
it,
दैट
yeah.
या
So this is all. Yeah, definitely. We'll see you in the next vlog. I hope, guys, you like this vlog and keep showing love.
if you really love the content how we are going through our journey, right? So just drop a comment over the video and drop yours relation also.
Yeah,
How
we
long
will love
have you
to
been
see.
into relationship?
Yeah.
Also, if you like the video, like and share with your friends and your friends of friends who are in a relationship.
Yeah.
So maybe we will get some
More motivation to stay
motivation
longer.
from you guys. And just
Yeah.
drop a subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you so much.
Bye bye. ऐसे बंद भी होना चाहिए.